Good morning viewer, welcome in the class of forecasting in Tableau. Forecasting is a process of making prediction of the future based upon the past data as well as most commonly by analysis of the trend. So for forecasting we need to have one date field as well as one measure. In this tutorial we are going to discuss how to forecast in Tableau, what is forecast, what are the options available for forecasting, and how to describe a forecasting model. So for this I have used data of the Indian population. I have downloaded this data from World Bank website. I have picked up the data from the year 1960 to 2018. So I have picked up the data for rural population as a percentage of total population, urban population as a percentage of total population, male and female population percentage, life expectancy as well as the total population. I have a data till 2018. I want to forecast for these for next 2 years 2019-20. So how to use data, how to download data from the World Bank website. For this you may refer my this video. Title of this video is World Bank Country-Wise Data Resources, a suggestive list of the useful indicator. Or how to prepare your Excel file. Again you can refer my another video. The name is How to Analyze World Bank Country-Wise Data and Analysis of Indian Agriculture Sector. Here I picked up the example of Indian agriculture sector. You may use any other data also. So let me to show you the data. So this is a data from 1960 to 2018. So I have picked up rural population, urban population, then male population, female population, life expectancy, and the total population. Now let's do forecasting in Tableau. So I am just connecting this file. I name this as Indian population data. So this is being connected to Tableau. If you need this data, you can just mail me. I can forward this data to you. So I have this data with me. Okay, I am going to sheet 1. As I said, for forecasting I need one date field data this year. Another, let's say total population. Done. By default it is coming as a line chart. I want to forecast. Just right click on this line. There is an option called as forecast, show forecast. Now this is a portion which is reflecting as a forecast. This is the line reflecting the actual line, and this represent the shaded area represent the margins, you can say. Let's see, forecast, you have two more things with you. One is a forecast options. So under forecast option, by default it's coming as a automatic. You may specify exactly for next 2 years, 1 year, how many years you want. So you can specify this is the duration for which you want for the next how many years, this data. Okay, and similarly by default this Tableau ignored last 1 year data or last 1 period data. You may add or less also. So similarly this is 95% confidence intervals. So this shaded area represents your confidence intervals. So I'm just adding more years, so you will able to see the impact. The shaded area represent the confidence interval. Okay, so there is a one thing more in with regard to forecasting, that is describe forecasting model. So this represent what is the model which has been used. So this tab present the summary. If you want to look at the model, this is a model. So the Tableau is using exponential smoothing for the purpose of the forecasting. So this is how to do forecasting in Tableau. So this could be any measure could be used for this forecasting purpose. So I assume as of now you have already liked this video, you have subscribed this channel also. If not, please do it now. Thank you for viewing this video.